don't understand why I have to listen though.
Get out.
Don't touch me. Don't. Get him off of me.
No, if you live,
Get him off of me.
Palm Beach County, Florida. A routine disturbance call at the Rock Irish Bar quickly escalates when an intoxicated patron, Alexis, refuses to leave despite a manager's willingness to let her walk away. Choosing litigation over cooperation, she denies her actions, demands a man to validate her reality, and ultimately chooses to physically fight the deputies. What could have been a simple Uber ride home transformed into a 4-charge felony arrest and a potential 6-year prison sentence. If you find value in these deep dive analyses of human behavior and the legal system, hitting that like button is a small but powerful way to support the channel. It takes only a second, but it provides the support I need to keep these breakdowns coming. Let's look at the mechanics of how this night ended in a jail cell instead of an Airbnb.
Okay, well, you guys want it gone, or?
Yeah, that's employee.
What's going on? What's up? You called us?
Yeah. She's getting, like, we tried to get her to leave. She hit our boss, trying to have like a peaceful night. She's throwing glasses, tripping out, starting fights.
You out of here?
She did that.
All right.
What's that?
That's my phone that I live to. I live right down the street. So.
No, I know, I got you. What happened was she had too much. She threw a glass in the bar. I asked her to leave, and then she wouldn't leave, and she was walking behind the bar, and I didn't want to fire rescue. No, I'm fine, but I just. No, I won't be back. I just don't want it.
What happened to your ex? What happened to the ex-drunkie?
I don't know what she's talking about.
If you're gonna talk in my name, speak Tosh though, bro. Because I'm gonna give you my phone right now. What's going on?
Hello?
I'm gonna give you my phone.
Can you do me a favor? Just sit down.
Can you give me a favor and look at my phone?
You want to do me a favor? Just sit down.
I'm gonna go home. That's what I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna have fire rescue come. Bleeding from the nose a little bit.
Can you let me know that he's gonna go?
You guys got cameras inside? Or?
Brian, what the f up that you are not responding to what I have to say right now?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Because you know me. I live
You have your
right
ID?
here.
Fire rescue.
Yes, I have my ID.
Can I see it, please?
Are all parties here or no?
My name is Brian.
I guess she's
Yeah.
extremely drunk. She was inside causing an issue. I guess he's the owner or he's the manager.
Oh, everybody's here.
Yeah, she hit him in the nose.
All right, kids, rolling.
She started throwing glasses and stuff all over her face.
Spin that
She has a bloody
Spin
nose.
that.
I'm just getting the fire rescue for her.
Spin that camera roll.
Come in often, and then I haven't seen her in a while.
Did you
You
get
haven't seen
can
me
you
in
get
a
your
while.
license?
You haven't seen me in a while.
Can you get your license for me, please? Ma'am.
No, because you're not on my defense right now.
I'm not
You're not on my
anybody's
defense right
I don't
now.
even know the
so
whole
no,
story.
I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna bring up my anything. Can you defend him right now? Go do that shit. I'm not doing any of that right now.
She did his nose. I guess she threw a glass.
No. What happened was she threw a glass, and I asked her to leave. I handed her a tab, I asked her to leave, and she started walking behind the bar. I said, I can't let you walk behind the bar. I didn't touch her, I didn't do anything. I just stood in front of the bar. And then she was like finally getting to leave, and then she hit me in the face with her phone. And that's what did that. And I'm fine. I'm not hurt. I'm okay. But I just was the last thing I want is an incident of any kind. You know what I mean?
All right. What do you want done? You want to go to jail or what?
If we could just get her to just leave.
I could also trespass.
Trespass her, right? That's what I'd like to do. Trust this.
Okay.
Okay, do that. So I think she has like a bloody nose. Was that just
I stayed in.
her away?
I didn't touch her. She came out here, started. Other people were trying to get her to leave, and she attacked them. I didn't see what happened because I was another girl, I believe.
She knocked Chris over too.
Okay.
Yeah, she hit one of my. Oh yeah.
I'm sorry to cut you off. I just want to get
yes,
like
sir,
the whole
yes, sir.
story. I kind of got here a little late, so
Yes.
she was a customer at some point today.
Yes.
She had a glass, is what you're telling me. Did she like throw it over to, or was she trying to get your attention? Did she throw it at someone, or?
She's been in here, and she I'm bartending. I'm a nice person. You know, I serve people drinks. I'm moving around. She's like, I want to go home. She was trying to pick up everybody at the bar, and then she asked me to go home, and I said no.
She was trying to pick people up at the bar, you said?
Just
be flirtatious type thing? All right, I got it.
And then she tried to do it with me, and I was like, nice. I was like, no, I'm seeing somebody, you know?
Okay.
And then she walked away with her glass and threw it against the wall.
Okay.
Went into the bathroom. When she came out, I said, you have to leave. We're throwing glass in here. Okay, I don't want any incident. And then she was trying to walk behind the bar, and I was like, please don't come behind the bar.
What do you
pay my tab? And then she hit me in the face with the phone.
No, give me a second.
Ma'am, do me a favor. Okay.
Don't touch me. First off, if you're going to be respectful, please talk
Do me
to
a
me
favor
respectfully.
and sit down. We're not
And
going to
sit
go
down
through
for
this.
what? And
Just
sit
sit
down
down.
for what?
Just sit down and
And
relax.
sit down for what?
All I want
What
you
am
to do
I
is
sitting
sit down
down
and
for?
relax. Just want you to
Can
sit
I be
down and
honest? What
relax.
am I sitting down for?
Hey, do me a
I
favor.
don't live here. I go home.
Hey,
in a
if you
couple
listen
hours.
to him, then it'll be okay. I'm
That's
still
not
trying to
my
figure
home.
it out.
Why the listen to you?
Because your home is going to be in the jail if you don't listen to us tonight. All right, so have a seat so I can figure this out, and then we can get you home. But if you don't listen to him when he's telling you to do something, your home tonight will be the jail.
I don't understand why I have to listen though.
Because it's lawfully telling you to sit down.
Listen, but I don't understand why you have to.
Okay, so did you give them your information?
I gave
The female has? All right.
I just want her to go. I honestly, I want her trespassed. I don't want her coming back. Absolutely.
So
I'd rather just if that's.
I need to get back to it. I'm sorry.
yes,
sorry.
no, yes, sir.
So she went behind the bar. How did you kind of just guide her out, or?
See how the back of the bar. She was coming. I said she was like standing like inside. I said you have to leave, Alexis. You have to leave. And then she wouldn't leave. I said I don't want to call the cops. I really, really, really don't. Just could you please just leave? And she wouldn't. And then I'm like I guess we got her to finally move. And then she got out here and she was going crazy. And then she hit one of the girls.
How did you sustain this injury in your nose? Still don't know.
Who, me or her?
You.
She hit me in the face with a phone.
Her phone?
Yeah, when she
that
was leaving
outside?
behind the bar. No, that was inside. She was like, boom, on her way out. And I just stood there and I felt that I was bleeding.
Okay.
And then someone got her out.
Okay.
Have a seat.
Have a seat.
You are not free to leave.
Have a seat.
Why can I leave?
You're not free to
Why
leave.
can I not
He's
leave?
still conducting his investigation.
Investigation of what?
Of
Why can I not leave right now though?
Go in here. Have
I'll
a
let
seat
it go, but why can I not leave right now?
Listen.
because you're detained.
Yes. Have a
Detained
seat.
for what? They've been out for the whole entire time. They've been drunkies. They've been out. Why am I detained? I don't get it.
Can you calm down just a little bit and have a seat? Just have a seat and relax.
I will
Because you're
calm
not
down when
steady
you
on
let
your
me know when to calm down.
I just
Don't
told
tell
you.
me to calm down. Just
Have a
being
seat.
nasty like
Thank you. We're
that.
not being nasty. Thank you. I appreciate you having a seat. Okay? Because you're a little unsteady on your feet, all right? Don't cry. Okay?
I want to go home.
Okay, but you don't want to cooperate with us. If you tell us what your name
Of course
is,
I don't want to cooperate with him because I don't live here.
With
I'm
us,
not in
with
this
me.
determination.
what about?
I don't live here.
Alexis, you trespassed. You can't go back in.
Okay, Brian, you live here.
Okay.
Who in there is your obstruction? What in there has you by the balls? Not the obstruction. I will listen to you. Don't get me wrong. I will listen to you. But
I can explain everything, but I need your name and date of birth right now. I'm not gonna sue you.
What's your last
my
name?
name and date of birth?
Yeah.
On whose kind of birth? No.
Me. What's your last
No,
name?
I'm not giving you my.
You're not? Okay.
And then she helps all if you want to.
She said she's not giving it up, so.
Once they're done, we're gonna take her. Hey,
If you're breathing,
I'm gonna touch the
Are you kidding me right now?
Sorry, we're just checking you out. That's all.
So can you walk in on them and check where they're at?
We are. We had a couple walk in there now.
Oh, okay, so you check on them right now.
They are checking them out. We're checking you out right now. They're checking them right now. Can we get your blood pressure? Let me just look at your nose. Let's take your blood pressure.
as you're breathing,
Can you do me a favor?
Don't fucking touch me.
Here. No, I'm gonna need your insight.
We're here to help you, okay? Look at your blood pressure. That's it.
I'll do it.
Do you need to be right here?
I get it. have
No?
a friend, a family member that can pick you
What's
up.
your address, Mama? I'm listening.
I'm sorry if it doesn't sound that way right now, but I guess you're right that you're the only one who can help me right now.
Sorry.
I have a way home right now, but it's my last help. So,
Well, what's your address? Do you know it?
no,
You don't know where you live.
I'm going home to my man's address. He lives in Kentucky right now, so that's what my address is right now, and that's why it's such a hard time right now.
Are you visiting here? Okay, do you have an Airbnb or something locally? Do you know how to get back to your Airbnb?
Yes, I do. I just
Is this yours? Is your address in here? You want to take your stuff?
No, we're acting wrong. It's just little
I'm
things
sorry.
that you
I'm sorry. Thank you. Yes, it's fine. Thank you.
Okay, what's your address?
Do you know your Airbnb address?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I do.
Here, give me this. I don't want you to have that because I don't want to get pepper sprayed because you're upset at us.
You know what day of the week it is? You know where you're at?
We'll help these guys out in the south.
I'm all right. I don't have anything right now for 10:15, but I need to get her out of here. If she doesn't leave here, then she'll go to jail for 51.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna move her up. There's too much time being wasted sitting here. So, yeah. All right.
That was really kind, considering what you're going through. Thank you.
Second one.
Can I ask you? Like, am I okay with even getting like any kind of upset with you?
I'm not upset. I'm just doing my job.
I'm upset. I understand that I'm wrong. But I have to consider that I'm wrong right now and I'm gonna have to walk away.
Yeah. Sorry.
And I get that.
I don't want to take you to jail. I'm trying to avoid that. But you gotta go, okay?
I get that. Thank
Okay.
you.
Have a good night.
You know, I just got pierced right there.
You gotta go. Let's go. Okay.
I'm gonna wait until y'all are done.
Good night.
Don't fucking touch me.
Get up.
Don't touch me. Don't.
Sit down.
Hold on. You okay?
Yep.
Now she's fighting.
Stop.
Why are you touching me?
Okay. She says, look, she's holding on to the handcuffs. Hold on.
okay.
It's okay. I'm just having it for video purpose.
Stop resisting.
Why
Let your fingers
stop
out.
resisting?
Oh, no. Let go of your hand.
Yeah. Leave it. Let her fucking hold on.
Good.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Leave it. I got it. Stop. Hey.
Get off of me!
Listen.
Get off of me! Get
Why can't
off
you just
of
sit
me!
in the car? Sit in the car.
Why is my man and Miss?
Why aren't you
Everywhere
sitting
but
in the
me.
car? Sit in the car. You're causing a crazy scene over nothing.
Everyone's recording you
Just
right now.
sit in the car. Stop.
I need
You're
someone
making-
to record the scene right now.
You're being
I
recorded
need
by
my
us.
man to record the scene right now. I need y'all to make a scene right now. I need the video to be recorded right now. I need the video to be here right
Alexis,
now.
hear me out.
So show me.
Sit in the car.
Show me. Get this man off my mother legs right now. Get him off my arms
Hear me
right
out,
now.
Alexis.
So are you gonna let him off my arms right now? Let him off
if
my arms right
Hold on.
now.
Chill.
Let him off of me.
Chill. I'm gonna
Let
talk to
him
you.
off of me. Then get the Why are you debating with me right now?
not.
Get him off of me!
No, if you listen
Get
to
him
me,
off of
if
me!
you listen to me,
Get him off of me!
then we're gonna stay right here until you chill out, stop acting like a little kid,
Can you get
and
him
relax.
off of me?
I will grab you and I will sit you in there if you calm down. If you're gonna continue to act like this, he's gonna keep holding you.
My man, and I can't even go home to that.
Sit in the car.
Right
Sit in the car.
By my mother's ass.
Sit in the
Get
car
him off of me?
until you listen to
Can you
me.
get him off of me?
So you stop acting like a
that's
kid.
what the problem is. Do you want a man at the end of the day? Do you want a circumstance at the end
Then
of
we're
the day?
gonna sit in here until
Why
you listen.
can't you just be home with him? Why do you have to drag me through this shit?
Calm down. Sit in the car. We're gonna have a supervisor come and talk to you, right? If you
Talk about what, bro?
sit in the car,
Talk about what?
you're gonna create a scene for nothing.
Scene
Sit
about
in the
what?
car. Sit in the car like an adult. You're in
About
handcuffs.
Helen or about who? Who? Why the f on me right now?
Sit in the car. Sit in the car. Look, stop doing all this shit. Sit in the car. Stop.
What is? Stop doing this.
I'm gonna grab you. I'm gonna guide you to the car, and you'll have a seat. Okay? Stop this. For nothing. I'm gonna grab you, and I'm gonna sit you in the
I asked you
car.
a question. Can I go home after this?
If you sit in the car and I can have a conversation with you, then we can debate on
Home
that.
after this?
We can talk
Please.
about it. But if you don't sit in the car, then I'm gonna take you to jail for obstruction. So sit in the car and stop creating a show. I got her.
So I go to jail for obstruction, and that's it.
No.
back a little bit though.
There is a terrifyingly thin line between a frustrating night out and a permanent life-altering disaster. In this footage, we watch Alexis cross that line with a deliberate speed. When we analyze high-stress law enforcement encounters, we are often looking for the point of no return. In this specific incident, that point was reached long before the handcuffs clicked. It was reached the moment Alexis decided her personal narrative was more important than the lawful authority of the deputies standing in front of her. To truly understand how the situation mutated from a minor trespass into a 4-charge felony indictment, we need to talk about the psychology of the good person mask, the trap of refusing to identify yourself, and how a simple shove can legally ruin your year. From a psychological perspective, Alexis is operating under a heavy cloak of alcohol-induced egocentrism. Alcohol systematically shuts down the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for impulse control, long-term planning, and social filtering. As this logical brain goes offline, the survival brain takes over. This is why we see her trying to maintain what we call professional masking. She repeatedly insists she is a nice person and that she doesn't live here. She's trying to invoke a social status she believes should grant her immunity. She wants the deputies to see the polite citizen she thinks she is, rather than the person who just threw a glass in a bar. Pro tip, if you find yourself in a heated situation where you've made a mistake, the "I'm a good person" defense rarely works on the sidewalk. Instead of trying to prove your character, the best approach is to stop talking and start listening. The more you try to explain why you're not that kind of person, the more evidence you're usually giving the officers that you are currently being that person. This psychological state leads directly into what we call defensive projection. When the manager points to his bleeding nose, Alexis doesn't just deny it, she ignores it and pivots to a story about her son. This is a clumsy attempt to trigger a compassion response in the deputies. In her mind, if she can win the emotional argument, she wins the legal one. But the law doesn't work on vibes. Sociologically, the encounter takes a bizarre turn when Alexis demands that a man record the scene. She's attempting to weaponize gender dynamics because she doesn't trust the objective lens of the body-worn cameras. She's looking for a surrogate protector to validate her reality. It's a regression to an old social script where she feels a man's word carries more weight. In reality, the body cam is the only witness that actually matters in court. From a legal standpoint, Alexis fell headfirst into a common trap involving resisting without violence. Under the relevant section of Florida law, an officer conducting a lawful investigation has the authority to demand identification. Alexis's repeated refusal to provide her name transformed her from a detained subject into a criminal suspect. Practical advice: you might feel like you're standing up for your rights by refusing to give your name, but if you're being legally trespassed or investigated for a crime, that refusal is often a standalone offense. If an officer asks for your ID in this context, just give it to them. Fighting that battle on the sidewalk is like trying to win an argument with a brick wall. You're only going to hurt yourself. The situation crossed the Rubicon from a misdemeanor into a felony the moment the physical struggle began. Under the relevant section regarding battery on law enforcement, the law doesn't care how drunk you are or if you think the officers are being mean. The moment you intentionally touch or grab an officer against their will, the charge is elevated to a third-degree felony. When Alexis grabbed the deputy's arms and fought the seat in, she provided the guilty act required for a felony indictment. If you encounter something like this, and you feel the handcuffs going on, the best thing you can do is go limp or cooperate. The moment you tense up or pull away, you are handing the prosecutor a gift. You might be angry, and you might even be right that the arrest is unfair, but you litigate that in court, not in the back of a cruiser. Furthermore, her behavior on the sidewalk satisfies the elements of disorderly intoxication. This relevant section of the law requires the state to prove you were intoxicated and creating a public disturbance. By screaming and lunging at deputies, Alexis checked every box. What could have been a ride in an Uber became a stacked case with 4 distinct charges. The deputies actually showed a lot of tactical patience here. They didn't start with handcuffs. They started with a conversation. They even tried to find her Airbnb address. However, Alexis mistook this professional patience for weakness. She believed the deputies were debating her, when in fact they were merely documenting her non-compliance. This is the ultimate lesson. In a law enforcement interaction, the sidewalk is not a debate stage. When an officer issues a lawful order, like sit down, it's a command, not a suggestion. Ultimately, Alexis traded her freedom for the right to have the last word. She convinced herself she was a victim while she was the one actively obstructing the night. She is now facing a massive bill and a felony record that will follow her home. It's a heavy price to pay for staying to argue. The deputies gave her every opportunity to walk away. They even tried to find her man in Kentucky, but her ego, fueled by a high blood alcohol content, refused the win. Do you think the deputies were too patient, or was their restraint the right way to handle someone having an emotional breakdown? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.